Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best 212 Predator engine is probably one of the most versatile and powerful small engines on the market, making it a top choice for a wide range of projects from go-karts and mini-bikes to generators and pressure washers, and today we're diving deep into what makes this engine a standout performer and whether it's the right powerhouse for your next build. Number 5. GX160 Carburetor Kit for Honda GX120/160/200 engines. This kit is designed to fit a wide range of engines, including Honda GX120, GX160, and GX200 models, as well as Predator 212 cubic centimeters and 224 cubic centimeters engines. It's a direct replacement for several part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit. It's perfect for various equipment like go-karts, pressure washers, and water pumps. If your equipment is powered by compatible Honda or Predator engines, this is the ideal solution. Everything you need for a smooth replacement is included. The package contains the carburetor, gaskets, fuel filter, fuel line, spark plug, and intake insulator. Installation is a breeze with its bolt-on design, requiring no complex modifications. It's a practical and convenient replacement for your original carburetor, perfect for daily repairs. With precise measurements including a 102 mm height and specific hole dimensions, it ensures accurate fitment for compatible engines. This guarantees optimal performance after installation. What we like. This kit offers broad compatibility with various Honda and Predator engines, making it a versatile choice. It comes with all the necessary parts for a straightforward replacement, including gaskets, fuel filter, spark plug, and more. If you're looking to quickly restore your go-kart, pressure washer, or water pump to working order with minimal hassle, this complete carburetor kit is an excellent option. What people say. The engine is powerful and reliable, perfect for demanding tasks. Easy to start and run smoothly, even under heavy load. The fuel efficiency is impressive for its class. Number 4. LotFancy Go-Kart Clutch 3 4-bore 12T. Experience enhanced performance with this centrifugal clutch. It's designed for a smooth engagement, providing reliable power transfer for your go-kart or minibike. Crafted from durable steel, this clutch is built to withstand the demands of operation. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting and dependable performance. This clutch is engineered to fit a wide range of small engines, including popular models like the Predator 212 cubic centimeters and compatible Honda engines. Please check your shaft size and keyway for a perfect fit. Upgrade your go-kart, minibike, or fun kart with this essential component. It's a practical replacement designed for number 35 chain drive systems. Get back on the road quickly with the included hardware. Everything you need for installation, except the chain, is provided for your convenience. What we like. Built with durable steel, this centrifugal clutch is designed to withstand the rigors of frequent use. It features a 3/4-bore and a 12-tooth sprocket compatible with number 35 chains, perfect for many go-kart and minibike setups. If you're building or upgrading a go-kart or minibike and need a reliable clutch that engages smoothly around 2,300 revolutions per minute, this is a solid choice. What people say. The 212 Predator engine is a reliable workhorse, consistently delivering the power needed for various projects. Its user-friendly design makes installation and maintenance straightforward, even for those with limited mechanical experience. The engine's fuel efficiency is impressive, offering extended run times on a single tank of gas. Number 3. Predator 6.5 HP 212 cubic centimeters OHV Gas Engine. Experience robust power with this 6.5 HP, 212 cubic centimeters engine. Its OHV design ensures efficient operation for your needs. Constructed with a durable cast iron cylinder, this engine is built to withstand wear and abuse. Enjoy long-lasting performance. Starting and operating this engine is a breeze. User-friendly controls make it simple for anyone to get going quickly. Get started with confidence thanks to its reliable recoil start system. It's designed for easy and dependable ignition every time. Transporting this unit is safe and convenient. The integrated fuel shut-off feature prevents accidental spills and ensures peace of mind. Designed for longevity, it features a ball bearing support shaft. This ensures smooth operation and extends its overall lifespan. What we like. This engine boasts a durable cast iron cylinder for long-lasting wear resistance. It features user-friendly controls for easy starting and operation, along with a convenient fuel shut-off valve for safe transport. If you need a dependable, no-frills horizontal shaft engine for general-purpose applications like generators or tillers and prioritize ease of use and safety, this is a great fit. What people say. The engine is a 212 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV horizontal shaft gas engine. It has a 3/4-inch keyed shaft and a 50-state emissions legal design. The engine features a durable cast iron cylinder sleeve for extended life. Number 2. Ha-rbor FR8 Predator Engine 212 cubic centimeters Mounting Plate Kit. Introducing our premium mounting plate kit, designed to enhance the performance of your engine. It offers high reliability and is built for easy installation. This kit is specifically compatible with the Ha-rbor FR8 Predator 212 cubic centimeters 6.5 horsepower engine. It ensures a perfect fit for optimal functionality. For a secure and lasting fit, the plate can be either welded or bolted into place. This provides a robust mounting solution. Experience enhanced performance and peace of mind with its high reliability. It's designed to withstand demanding use. We are here to help. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions about the product or its installation. Please note that international versions may have slight variations in fit, labeling, or instructions compared to local products. What we like. Designed for straightforward installation, this engine mount plate kit offers high reliability for your setup. It's compatible with popular 212 cubic centimeters 6.5 horsepower Predator engines. If you're mounting a Predator engine and want a secure and dependable base that simplifies the process, this kit is a practical solution. What people say. The 212 Predator engine boasts a robust cast iron bore for enhanced durability and longevity. It features a durable forged steel crankshaft, ensuring reliable performance under demanding conditions. The engine's design includes a high-performance camshaft and optimized valve timing for increased power output. Number 1. Predator 212 cubic centimeters Go-Kart Kit, Stage 4. Introducing the Predator 212 cubic centimeters Go-Kart Kit, Stage 4. This non-hemispherical engine upgrade is designed to take your go-karting experience to the next level. Experience enhanced power and speed with this meticulously engineered kit. It's built for those who demand peak performance from their ride. The Stage 4 package offers significant improvements over standard configurations. Get ready for a thrilling and responsive drive. Benefit from the unique advantages of its non-hemispherical design. This ensures optimal combustion and efficiency for sustained performance. Upgrade your go-kart with confidence. This kit is designed for straightforward installation, delivering maximum thrills with minimal hassle. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a weekend warrior, this engine kit will give you the competitive edge you need to dominate the track. What we like. This is a Stage 4 performance kit specifically designed for non-Hemi Predator 212 cubic centimeters engines. It's engineered to significantly boost the power and performance of your engine. If you're a serious enthusiast looking to push the limits of your go-kart or other project and demand maximum performance gains, this upgrade kit is for you. What people say. The engine is a beast and has a lot of power. It is very reliable and starts up easily. The design is sleek and modern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.